Welcome to my channel. How to set up Linksys Velop Mesh WiFi via temporary Wi-Fi. Step 1. Power on your main Velop node and wait for the LED to turn solid purple. Step 2. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Velop temporary Wi-Fi. Name will look like Linksys. Step 3. Download and open the Linksys app, Android, iOS. Step 4. Sign in or create a Linksys account to proceed. Step 5. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network, right pointing arrow, choose Velop Mesh System. Step 6. The app will detect the temporary Wi-Fi signal. Tap Continue to connect. Step 7. Enter your new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password for your mesh network. Step 8. Let the node configure. It will turn solid blue when ready. Step 9. Now plug in additional Velop nodes, place them in ideal spots and wait for solid blue LED on each. Step 10. Reconnect your phone, laptop to the new Wi-Fi name and run a speed test to confirm everything works. Thanks for watching.